Hey you guys, what is up? But if you're new here, I am Minah. Guys, I found this cool recipe on YouTube, tried and it was good. Trust me when I said it was good. Yes, it's called plantain and egg pizza or plantain frittata. Guys, it was that good and I'm sharing the recipe with you, okay? So let me quickly run you through the ingredients you are going to be using. Okay, we have some bell peppers, some spring onions, some eggs too as well, which is very important, and we have onions, yes, and 1 finger of plantain, which depends on the quantity you want. Okay. And make sure you fry your plantains to look golden brown like this, okay? And then you grease your pan with a little oil. Then you stir fry your vegetables a little. Please make sure you don't overcook them, okay? Because they have to taste or look crunchy. You feel me? Then you add in your eggs. And make sure you start to mix the vegetables and the egg, and add any spices of your choice. In my case, I only added salt to the egg so that my pizza will taste good. Yes, so once it's done like this, you could see it's not going to stick into the pan because the down part has already started for me. Then I arrange in my fried plantain nicely like this. You get it? You get what I mean? Nicely like this, and then you go ahead to cover it so you allow the heat to cook it very well. So let me catch you later, okay? Guys, so as you all can see, it's done cooking and it's looking pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in my spring onions because I really like them on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover it for another 30 seconds, which is optional because I like my spring onions a little bit cooked. Yes, and as you all can see, we are done and we are about to dig in. Yes, so basically let me also know in the comment section if you also try it home, okay? And I think this I'm going to end today's video. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I'm going to see you in my next video, okay? Bye bye.